The largest Bitcoin holders. As the world's most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of over $387 billion, Bitcoin, or BTC, is a forerunner of decentralized peer-to-peer payments. Since its introduction about 13 years ago, the virtual currency has been distributed around the world to millions of wallets owned by people, publicly traded companies, private businesses, and even governments. But some of these holders stand out from the rest due to their massive Bitcoin holdings. One of the most important features of the Bitcoin blockchain is its transparency, which allows anyone to see every transaction that has ever occurred on it, and to check the balance of every address that has ever existed. We can figure out who owns the most Bitcoin thanks to this transparency. So who exactly are the biggest investors in Bitcoin? In today's video, we show you the top 9 organizations and individuals that own the most Bitcoin. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification bell. Also, don't forget to like and share the video. Number 9. Dan Moorhead. In 2003, Dan Moorhead established Pantera Capital as a global macro hedge fund. 10 years later, in 2013, the company underwent a complete rebranding as it started investing in blockchain and cryptocurrencies and became the first investment company in the world with a cryptocurrency focus. Pantera Capital is now one of the biggest institutional owners of digital assets today and is also one of the most well-known blockchain investment companies in the US. Pantera's venture investments division has invested in more than 50 blockchain startups, including Bakkt, Bitstamp, Ripple, BitGo, Zappo, and Shapeshift, in addition to providing a number of funds focused on cryptocurrencies. The company reports that it currently manages $4.8 billion in assets and is closing in on a new venture-style fund with a target investment size of $600 million. The fund will make investments in venture equity, liquid tokens, and early-stage tokens. Number 8. Tesla. Tesla made the announcement that it had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin in February 2021, which drove up the price of Bitcoin. Later in the first quarter, the company reduced its holdings of Bitcoin by 10%. This sale increased profits for that quarter by $272 million. At one time, Tesla even accepted Bitcoin as payment for its vehicles. However, the company removed the Bitcoin payment option, citing environmental issues. Tesla had a total of 42,902 Bitcoins, but on July 20th, 2022, it was revealed that they had sold off 75% of them, reducing their holdings to 10,725 Bitcoins. Following the sale, Tesla revealed that as of the end of June, the company still had $222 million in digital assets in its possession. Number 7. Gavin Andresen. Andresen is another early Bitcoin investor. He succeeded Nakamoto as the project's creator and has worked to fix the cryptocurrency design issues while also improving it. Andresen communicated with Satoshi Nakamoto directly through forum posts and private messages, and when Satoshi vanished, he left the project in Andresen's hands. Prior to getting involved with Bitcoin in 2010, he worked in 3D graphics and animation following his graduation from Princeton. In 2010, Andresen launched the Bitcoin Faucet website where he gave away 19,700 Bitcoins to users who did nothing more than solve a CAPTCHA. Number 6. Brian Armstrong. Brian Armstrong is the co-founder of Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume in North America. He co-founded the exchange in 2012 after leaving his job as a software engineer at Airbnb. Armstrong owns 19% of Coinbase and is valued at $10.4 billion by Forbes in January 2022. Coinbase is regarded as the entry point for retail investors into the crypto ecosystem due to its user-friendly interface and credibility. The exchange went public in April 2021, and as of the close of trading on April 11, 2022, it had a total market capitalization of $41.736 billion. Armstrong stated that he founded Coinbase because he desired a global, open financial system that drove innovation and freedom. While no one knows how much Bitcoin Armstrong has, his overall cryptocurrency holdings have made him one of America's wealthiest people. Number 5. Michael Saylor. One well-known Bitcoin maximalist is Michael Saylor. He frequently tweets positive sentiments about Bitcoin or generates news through his business, MicroStrategy, which consistently buys Bitcoin even during bear markets in the cryptocurrency industry. Over the years, Bitcoin has drawn a lot of unusual investors. The CEO of the software company MicroStrategies Incorporated, Michael Saylor, stands out among them for all his zeal and enthusiasm. The company started buying cryptocurrencies in August 2020 when it purchased $250 million worth of Bitcoin. The company claimed at the time that it was purchasing the cryptocurrency in order to maximize the value of its cash holdings on its balance sheet. But Saylor has grown to be a fervent advocate of Bitcoin over time and has preached its virtues and applications on television, in print media, and at conferences dedicated to the cryptocurrency. By December 2021, MicroStrategy had boosted its Bitcoin holdings to $3.5 billion by swooping in to purchase the digital currency when its price fell. Saylor's company and the tactic have benefited greatly from it. However, Saylor is said to personally own at least 17,732 Bitcoin. As a result of his wager on Bitcoin, Forbes pegs his net worth at $2.2 billion. Number 4. Tim Draper. Tim Draper, a venture capitalist well known for his initial investments in startups like Skype and Tesla, made his first Bitcoin purchase in 2012. Then, 2 years later, he bought 29,659 BTC for $18.7 million at a Bitcoin auction held by the US Marshals and seized from the infamous Silk Road dark web marketplace. He also has a number of cryptocurrencies dating back a long time in his digital wallet. Draper has reiterated his 2018 prediction that the coin will increase to over $250,000 within 2 years, so he is also unlikely to sell anytime soon. If this happens, Draper will own $7.5 billion in Bitcoin, and this will make the crypto-savvy investor one of the wealthiest people in America. Number 3. Barry Silbert. Barry Silbert, the founder and CEO of Digital Currency Group, creates and supports blockchain-based products. Though it is unknown how much Bitcoin Silbert owns, the digital currency investing firm he founded, Grayscale, has a market capitalization of around $25 billion. Barry Silbert is the CEO of Digital Currency Group, as well as its subsidiaries Grayscale, Genesis Trading, CoinDesk, TradeBlock, Foundry Services, and Luno Global. He has made more than 200 investments through Digital Currency Group and holds a significant amount of Bitcoin. He has also invested heavily in businesses related to Bitcoin and the blockchain. Number 2. The Winklevoss Twins. Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss amassed a large fortune in crypto assets after settling a dispute with Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg in 2008 for $65 million. They are said to own 70,000 BTC and have invested in numerous crypto businesses through their venture capital firm, Winklevoss Capital. The twins became the first billionaires in the crypto industry following the late 2017 surge in Bitcoin prices. While the majority of their estimated wealth is derived from cryptocurrency investments, the Winklevoss twins are also entrepreneurs who founded the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange. Additionally, they are owners of Nifty Gateway, a marketplace for non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Number 1. Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto, the cryptocurrency's iconic developer, is at the top of the list. Satoshi Nakamoto not only invented, but also launched Bitcoin by being the first miner to generate transaction blocks. It is estimated that Satoshi mined more than 22,000 blocks beginning on January 3, 2009, and received more than 1 million Bitcoin in cumulative block rewards for his efforts. As a result, Satoshi is thought to have the largest Bitcoin cache, with over 1 million BTC, valued at around $23 billion today. This Bitcoin is not stored in a single address, but rather across approximately 22,000 addresses. Except for a few test transactions, none of it was ever spent. Satoshi abandoned the project in 2010 and has not been heard from again. We've come to the end of the list, guys. Please keep in mind that this list is constantly changing and is only an estimate, as it's difficult to know exactly how much Bitcoin versus other cryptocurrencies many of these individuals and businesses own. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye! See you next time!